Did you know the SUV you choose can completely redefine your driving experience, especially as you grow older? Finding the perfect balance of comfort, safety, and ease of use isn't about luxury, it's about confidence. Today, I'm sharing 8 SUVs older adults can buy with total confidence using insights from trusted reviewers. Want quiet rides, easy handling, and stress-free tech? Let's go. Number 8, the Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V is a compact SUV that blends comfort, practicality, and peace of mind. If you want something easy to drive and easy to park, this is a great starting point. Smooth, precise steering, and excellent visibility make city driving and tight parking feel effortless. Wide door openings and a comfortable seating position reduce strain getting in and out. Acoustic glass and extra sound insulation create a calm, low-fatigue environment, ideal for long errands or highway stretches. You get over 24 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, and more than 55 with them folded, plus a low-load floor and wide opening to spare your back. Power comes from a 2-liter engine with a smooth CVT, favoring stability and efficiency over speed, while snow and hill assist modes add confidence in tricky conditions. And of course, it's backed by Honda's reputation for reliability and low-maintenance stress. Number 7, the Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR brings bold design and serious safety in a compact footprint. It's a comfort-oriented daily driver that keeps things simple. Standard driver assist features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and auto high beams. Blind spot monitoring is especially helpful given the smaller rear glass. The independent suspension smooths out rough city pavement and keeps the CHR planted and predictable. Cargo space measures about 19 cubic feet behind the rear seats and expands to 37 with them folded. Controls are intuitive and ergonomic, with durable materials that feel good to use daily. It also earns strong reliability ratings, so it's not just safe to drive, it's safe to own long-term. And it's a Toyota, so you can expect dependable, low-drama ownership for years to come. Number 6, the Subaru Crosstrek. If you want confidence in all conditions, the Subaru Crosstrek delivers. It's compact in the city, steady on the highway, and composed on gravel or snow. Standard all-wheel drive and smart traction management keep the Crosstrek secure on wet, snowy, or uneven roads. A higher ride height and compliant tires absorb bumps so you arrive less fatigued. And for longer trips, you can choose trims with upgraded seat support. The 2-liter engine is fine for daily duty, while the 2.5 adds quicker response for merging and hills. Easy to park, easy to load, and weekend ready. If you venture off pavement, the Crosstrek is a versatile pick for seniors who don't want to feel limited by weather or terrain. Subaru's visibility advantage, with thin pillars and big windows, also reduces stress in crowded traffic. Number 5, the Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is the driver's choice without sacrificing comfort. It feels stable, precise, and reassuring at any speed. Steering and suspension tuning are among the best in the class, which translates to easy lane placement, calm cornering, and less white-knuckle driving in bad weather. The standard engine is smooth and adequate, while the turbo gives quick acceleration and stress-free merges. Inside, you get supportive seats, excellent noise control, and driver-oriented controls that reduce distraction and fatigue. Narrow A-pillars and a sharp backup camera also make parking and blind spot checks much easier. It's proof that you don't have to give up enjoyable driving just to stay comfortable and confident. Number 4, the Kia Niro. The Kia Niro focuses on efficiency and ease without giving up space or comfort. Rear passengers get nearly 40 inches of legroom, and cargo measures 22 cubic feet, with the seats up or more than 63 with them folded. The dashboard is clean and modern, with straightforward screens and controls. The hybrid emphasizes smooth, quiet progress, while the EV variant is the quickest of the bunch. Upper trims add heated and power-adjustable seats, great for long days behind the wheel. Because it's a hybrid, you'll also spend far less time at the gas station. That means more time enjoying the drive, and less time worrying about fuel costs or frequent fill-ups. The Niro is efficient, spacious, and modern, all in one package. Number 3, the Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is the calm and quiet one, with top-tier safety and straightforward tech. The suspension soaks up potholes, while excellent soundproofing keeps conversations clear even at highway speeds. Most trims give you physical buttons for climate and core functions, easier to use with gloves or on bumpy roads. Touchscreens range from 8 to 10 inches depending on trim. The Tucson is also an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, with standard automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and rear occupant alert. Available adaptive cruise, surround view cameras, and haptic blind spot alerts deepen the safety net. The 2.5-liter engine prioritizes predictability over speed, which is exactly what many drivers prefer. Hyundai's warranty is another bonus. 10 years of powertrain coverage gives added peace of mind for long-term ownership. Number 2, the Ford Escape. The Ford Escape balances city-friendly size with adult-friendly space and multiple powertrains to match your driving style. Rear passengers can stretch out with nearly 39 inches of legroom, and the sliding and reclining rear bench lets you trade space between passengers and cargo. Gas models offer up to 37.5 cubic feet behind the second row, while hybrids sit around 33. Fold the seats down for bigger hauls. The 1.5-liter turbo is efficient for daily use. The 2-liter turbo, with around 250 horsepower, adds confident passing power, and the hybrid focuses on smoothness and fuel savings. Safety ratings are strong, with a 5-star NHTSA score, and available features like parking assist, head-up display, and 360-degree cameras make tight maneuvers easy. For older drivers who still love taking road trips, the Escape's blend of comfort and versatility is hard to beat. And finally, number 1, the Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan is the ultimate all-rounder, with a smooth ride, excellent space, and rare third-row flexibility in a compact footprint. A 2-liter turbo with an 8-speed automatic feels balanced and unhurried, while the suspension glides over rough pavement to reduce fatigue on long trips. Cargo capacity is excellent, with nearly 38 cubic feet of space behind row 2 and up to 73 cubic feet with seats folded. The optional third row is best for kids, but priceless when you need occasional extra seats. Inside, the controls are simple and easy to use, while available adaptive cruise, lane assistance, surround view cameras, and parking assist take the stress out of crowded lots and long highways. The Tiguan also stands out for its understated European feel, quiet, refined, and built to stay comfortable mile after mile. So, which of these SUVs fits your life best? Easy entry, quiet comfort, or maximum space? Tell me in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides that make choosing your next vehicle simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching.